And the reversal started for SMCI. Finally, 5% reversal from the bottom that we discussed early last week around the $39. And guess what happened here? We already reversed from this bottom almost 10%. And now it's getting near a major resistance. We have to discuss in today's video what's going on, guys. As everybody knows, we got a good pullback, and then we have a breakout here from this bearish channel, and now we technically reverse perfectly from the 39. So we might have a good start for this month, but we've got one level to break to confirm that. So let's dive deeper and discuss SMCI price action for the rest of the week and for tomorrow, Wednesday. And don't forget, guys, so we always go live every day on our Discord and Patreon and here on our YouTube, 30 minutes before market open, discuss market live. And of course, yesterday we did a good swing trade. We always do swing trade and day trade. Yesterday we did for CRDO. The stock did almost 26%. We discussed it before the earnings. And the other stock that we discussed on our Discord was APLD to take profit around the 1120, and FERG, of course, to take profit around the 200. So it was a really good day yesterday for our hunters for those swing trade. And of course, right now we have to go back to discuss SMCI because this is the main event for today, doing 6% and it's still giving some gains for us after the breakout that we discussed last week here around the 41. As we discussed, guys, the 41 was the critical level for SMCI to break in order to go toward the 44. The 44 was the level that we should broke already back then. Once we broke this channel, as we discussed, this was a bearish channel but a correcting channel, because as we said before, SMCI was overextended almost 50%. We entered in bearish channel here for a correction, and we said the 39 and 37 should be the bottom, and it did, and that's why we reverse. But we have double top here. Just as a reminder, if you are new here, guys, we always do update for SMCI, so this is not the first time and the last time that we do update for SMCI. Last update that we said on Sunday, and before the last week, once we test this level twice. The last time we tested before the end of this, the last month, we tested here around the 29th of May, and we pulled back. And we said this is normal because this is double top first, and second, we didn't have the right buyer. The right buyer came here again once we reversed from the 39. Now what we should expect? Now we have the 44.25. As we said, guys, a resistance is mean there is a strong resistance or strong seller around this level. I'm not saying this level we're not gonna break. I'm saying there's a seller. There might not cover up if we have a major seller. So how are we gonna confirm if we're gonna have a major reversal? And of course, the short side cover it up is buy now or buy today or by tomorrow pre-market. We should break the 44.25 and hold over it. Even if we didn't break it now, we need to hold the 41 as a base support, then continue to go higher the next time. Once we break the 44 and hold over it, we're gonna have a nice jump toward the 46, then another level. And my target for this month, or at least for the coming few days, is the $50 psychological level, or the split price target that we tested last year. So what we should expect now, as we discussed, guys, the 39 should be our bottom between the 39 and 37, but now we confirm that the 39 should be our support, and the 44, it should be our current resistance breakout for today. If we broke it, guys, without any rejection, would be a good sign that SMCI started to reverse from this little pullback that started here back on the mid of May last month, and we reverse. You see what's happened here? We have a reversal, and the confirmation, as we said, the reversal didn't happen yet until we break this line, white line here, or the orange line around the 44.30 to be exact. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about the price action for SMCI. Are we going to have the $50 for this month, or are we going to have another correction down toward the 37 because now it's still correcting between the $44 and $40. So let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget, guys, to join us tomorrow for our live streaming to discuss SMCI in depth and answer your question, of course, because we trade in the market live, and of course, respond to our traders on the live chat section every day. So thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.